I'm here to talk to you today about the one thing that is more powerful than any other when it comes to motivation. It's the desire to take action towards your goals and dreams. Without action, all the motivation in the world won't get you anywhere. But when you combine motivation with action, you create momentum and the potential for real progress and success. So, how do you find the motivation to take action? Here are a few tips to help you get started. Set clear and specific goals. Having a clear and specific goal in mind will give you something to work towards, which can be a powerful motivator. Make sure your goals are achievable and realistic, and break them down into smaller steps to make them more manageable. Find your why. Knowing your why, the purpose or reason behind your goals, can be a powerful motivator. Take some time to think about the things that are most important to you and how achieving your goals will help you achieve them. This can help you stay motivated even when things get tough. Surround yourself with positive and supportive people. The people you spend time with can have a big impact on. Use visualization and affirmations. Visualization and affirmations can be powerful tools for staying motivated. Take a few minutes each day to visualize yourself achieving your goals, and use affirmations to reinforce your belief in yourself and your abilities. Celebrate your progress and accomplishments. Recognizing and celebrating your progress and accomplishments can help you stay motivated and engaged. Take the time to celebrate your small wins, as well as your larger achievements. Stay organized. Keeping your workspace and schedule organized can help you stay focused and motivated. Take a few minutes each day to tidy up and get organized, and create a schedule that allows you to make progress towards your goals each day. Take breaks and prioritize self-care. It's important to take breaks and prioritize self-care in order to stay motivated and productive. Make sure you take the time to rest and recharge, and don't be afraid to take a break when you need it. Use rewards and incentives. Using rewards and incentives can help you stay motivated and engaged in your work. Set small rewards for yourself as you make progress towards your goals, and celebrate your achievements with something special. Practice gratitude. Focusing on the things you are grateful for can help you stay motivated and positive. Take a few minutes each day to write down the things you are grateful for, and focus on the good things in your life. Believe in yourself. Above all, believe in yourself and your abilities. Trust that you have what it takes to achieve your goals, and don't be afraid to take risks and try new things. When you believe in yourself, you will be motivated to take action and make your dreams a reality. So, there you have it. The one thing that will motivate you to take action is the desire to achieve your goals and dreams. Find your motivation, take action, and watch as your dreams become a reality.